Bunch. If you have a problem, pull this handle. It signals us and we arrive in the blink of an eye.
Bob, watch out behind you! There's a giant fly!
Very funny. And when I have a cold.
You see, son, you must never be taken off guard like that. Tiger warriors must always be sharp. This is the art of absolute non-surprise.
Mr. Maurice! Mr. Maurice!
What? What's going on?
The art of absolute non-surprise strikes again. I see you've mastered it.
Well, Gilbert, it's okay. So, Miguel, what's on your mind?
Miguel no more remember what was inside Miguel's head.
My friends, duty calls. The Jungle Bunch.
To the rescue! Good mission.
That's it.
Open. Hello, my friend. Tell me what brings you here.
Hello, my name is Jasper. I have a big problem. I've got the hiccups, and for the past 3 weeks, I've not been able to get rid of them. So I end up keeping everyone in my tribe awake all night long. I need your help.
Honestly, you come to see the Jungle Bunch for hiccups? He needs a good scare, that's all.
Of course, yes. We're going to take care of your hiccups. I hadn't properly warmed up yet.
I warn you, I'm not very easily shaken, you know.
Huh. Don't you worry, Jasper. We are the Jungle Bunch after all. We'll find a way to scare you. Right, my friends?
I told you, I'm not easily shaken.
Right. There has to be a way for us to scare him, but how?
Come close. I have an idea. When I was much younger, my parents used to tell me a story that terrified me. The legend of Garo Garo.
We've got a solution for you. Let's forget about getting scared and all that. We'll take you to a place where the air is so pure your hiccups will just vanish instantly. Okay, my friends, let's go.
Hey, Jasper, have you ever heard of the legend of Garo Garo?
Never heard of it.
Me neither. Never heard of it, Gilbert. What's that legend about?
All right, listen up. At the far reaches of the jungle lies an abominable swamp, the cursed swamp. In that sinister place lives a most terrifying, the vilest, the scariest creature that ever existed, the Garo Garo. Since the dawn of time, this abominable monster has been haunting that dreadful swamp. His cry is so terrifying that it instantly makes your blood curdle. And his claws are so sharp, they can tear a tree apart in a fraction of a second. And if you ever had the misfortune of being bitten by him, you'd then turn into a Garo Garo!
Whoa! That legend really gives me the creeps, Gilbert.
I must say, it's really scary, isn't it, Jasper?
Yeah, well, it's just a legend.
Oh, look at that. What a coincidence. We were just talking about the cursed swamp, and there it is.
Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. We must have taken a wrong turn way back there.
Well, we don't have a choice. It's going to be dark very soon. We're going to have to stop in the swamp and set up camp.
This is a pretty scary place, huh?
Say, Miguel, don't you need to go to the boys' room?
No, Miguel don't need to go.
Are you sure, Miguel?
Yeah. Miguel remembers now. Miguel really wants to go. Thanks, Mr. Maurice.
But don't wander off too far, Miguel. You never know.
It looks like the fire is going out. I'll get some dry firewood.
They've been gone a long time, haven't they? Aren't you worried about them, Jasper? What in the world was that sound?
Help! Help! An abominable monster's right here!
Don't you worry, Gilbert. We're on our way.
Oh no! He bit me! He bit me!
Oh no! Help! Gilbert has turned into the dreaded Gilbert the monster! Ooh!
No need to panic, Jungle Bunch. That's clearly Miguel in disguise with coconut palms on his ears and flowers over his eyes.
Okay, we can tell you now, Jasper. This was all part of a clever trick to give you a good scare, but it obviously didn't work.
What about that place you mentioned? Where the air is so pure it can make my hiccups go away. Instantly.
Well, we just made it up to lure you here.
Oh.
That's enough, Gilbert.
It wasn't me this time!
But if it wasn't Gilbert, then who was it? Oh, look over there on the ground. It looks like enormous footprints.
This is a much better show than the one before.
Mr. Maurice, the fog has great big eyes.
The Garo Garo!
Everyone get out of here! You mustn't stay! Run, Jasper, run!
Now I'm truly terrified.
Hurry!
Ah!
I will try to find a place to hide. Ah! We can hide over there. Quick, my friends, over here.
We must all stay quiet, and Jasper, try to hiccup silently.
Ah, my hiccups have disappeared. Oh, thank you, Jungle Bunch. You've succeeded.
Phew! Mission Jasper accomplished. But we still have a problem with that monster.
Right. By the way, no one's been bitten yet, have they?
Yes, Miguel has. Miguel, my tongue. Miguel, too scared.
So the legend was true after all?
There has to be an explanation. Monsters just don't exist.
Right. We are the Jungle Bunch. We're not going to let an oversized monster scare us because he's got sharp claws and destroys everything. Gilbert, do you remember how the legend ends?
Yes, I think I remember. According to the Garo Garo's legend, his eyes are his weakness. Unless that's the legend of the vampire brain, I'm not too sure.
In any case, it's a good idea. We need to blind him, and for that, I have a plan. Hey, you ugly mutt! Come and fight me, you monster!
Let's aim for the eyes!
What? He can still see? Huh?
It's not a monster. It just looks like a big wooden machine.
You broke my Garo Garo, you bunch of rascals!
What an ingenious system.
So, the Garo Garo was you?
Well, yes, but not exactly. When I was young, I got the idea to use the legend of Garo Garo to scare off uninvited guests such as yourselves and at last be left in peace.
Ah, I totally get that. Peace and quiet. There's nothing like it. I so hate being disturbed, too.
Of course you do. When there are people around, you can't sleep whenever you want to. You can't focus.
And they keep blabbing on. Blah, blah, blah this and blah, blah, blah that. It drives me crazy.
Oh, well, it's the first time in my life I've met someone who thinks like me. It's obvious that you're a quality guy.
Yes, I know. Thanks.
See, you two could become buddies. It's nice to visit friends once in a while, you know.
Okay, that is true. I do tend to get a little bored. I suppose it's high time that I retire and stop dressing up like Garo Garo.
Wise decision. Hiccups and Garo Garo are all finished. Mission accomplished. Time to go home.
Hey, that took quite some time. We were beginning to get worried.
We're all fine. It was very tricky. We'll explain later. How's that cold of yours, Bob?
It's not getting any better.
Bob,
Oh, no!
Oh, that's a joke. Hey, I got you, didn't I?